Hello, here's a wonderful Titano model Titan accordion with a classic white design. It's got two sets of reeds for the treble side here and four sets of reeds in the left hand. So it's got a powerful bass. Here we got 37 keys and 48 buttons in the left hand. So we have a huge range of keys and you can play any style of music you want. So we also got two registers here. The first one is clarinet. And the second one is master. One of the switches also has that bandoneon kind of sound, so it's also great for playing tango, and accordion is very light and comfortable to play. So I'm just gonna play some music.